To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos. Plants and trees, the green hue in our lives that provide us with our two utmost necessities, food and oxygen. This is the reason which makes plants sacred in various cultures, and therefore plants are worshipped in various religions. But what if I tell you that there are plants that are carnivorous? Confused? Well, this is true. There are around 600 to 700 species of plants known so far which are known to eat insects for their nutrition. Pitcher plants, Venus flytrap, cobra lily, monkey cup, Australian sundew are all examples of carnivorous plants. Well, this may make one wonder how these stationary plants are able to capture insects. You know it, capturing prey is a very tricky job. These carnivorous plants have evolved various tactics to attract, trap, and then ingest insects. Some have pitchers in which once the insects drop, others have sticky mucilage on their leaves to trap insects. Few use rapid movements to ensnare insects. Plants either have digestive enzymes or harbor bacteria that can break down dead insects into compounds for taking up. But why all this hassle? Well, this is because this insect-eating behavior allowed them to stay and colonize the lands which were deprived of nitrogen. As insects are nitrogen-rich, the plants were able to satisfy their nitrogen requirement by eating insects. But how did this change occur, and how the plants got the structures and enzymes required for insect trapping and eating? This question piqued the interest of George Schultz, scientist at the University of Würzburg, Germany, who then looked at the genetic composition and anatomy of three modern insect-eating plants to get the answers. Based on his study, they concluded that this whole transformation or adaptation happened in three steps. Firstly, around 70 million years ago, an early non-carnivorous ancestor of the three modern plant carnivores underwent a whole genome duplication, which means it generated a second copy of its entire DNA. This allowed the second copy of genes to diversify into leaf traps or enzymes for insect absorption. Next, these plants started receiving nutrients from insects. Once they started deriving nutrients, the traditional leaf and root structures were not required, and therefore they started to become rudimentary and were lost in these plants, as per the principle of evolution. Isn't it incredible how evolution derives various wonders of life, each trying to increase their survival attempts to change, and such changes get fixed and later on create new plant and animal species altogether.